A fresh trend is blooming in small towns, where short-term artist residencies funded by tiny municipal grants ignite local art scenes and attract visitors. A veteran painter notes these programs spark cross-generational collaboration, while a new media critic observes that nearby cafes and shops become informal galleries, expanding audiences. An interviewed curator emphasizes hands-on community workshops that leave lasting public murals and teach craft skills to youths. A visiting resident highlights the flexibility of projects that weave local history into contemporary practice, creating tangible regional pride. Analysts predict this bottom-up model could balance urban dominance with authentic neighborhood identities.